This is Neco year 2018 English past question test of oral question number 4. So we are still using the same instruction to answer this question, which says that we should look out for the word among the options that contains the same vowel sound as in the given word. The given word here is aunt, not ought. Aunt. What we have there is vowel number 10 rather, aunt. The letter U is underlined, so that the letter U is pronounced as in form of light a. That's how it is produced. So aunt. Then option A, we have nude. By transcription, we have it is transcribed as this, so it cannot be. The option B, pool. Pool is transcribed as this. The option C, song, is transcribed as this. So if you notice very well, you know that we have sound in the word song. The option D, true. True is transcribed as this, so it cannot be. The option E is pronounced as edge, not urge, as people call it. Is pronounced as what? Edge. So not urge, and so on and so forth. So the correct option here is option C, because option C contains the same vowel sound as in the underlined word in the given the underlined letter in the given word. Thank you and God bless you, and share and subscribe for more of our videos.